Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a build of a 1969 Corvette, and can't wait to get into this one. I'm so happy I rearranged my work area here, and boy, I've got all kinds of room here now. I've got like 4 feet of workspace here. It's just working out real nice. But I'm going to go ahead and get all the parts out and lay them out on the table and show you guys what's in there. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here are all the pieces. As I opened it up and put all the parts on the counter here, I realized I hadn't done an unboxing on this kit. This is part of the 3-kit box set that came out back in the day. If you go back to my 1970 Cobra Jet unboxing, this is the 69 Corvette that was in that kit. But as you can see, there's not a whole lot to it, so it'll be a quick build. I'll go ahead and get right on it and start moving the stuff aside and start with the prep work, and I'll be right back. So first thing I like to do is find all the body panels. Anything that's going to be exterior that's going to get paint, I try and get it all together. Now this particular kit came with 2 different top options. It has one that simulates a convertible top, and the other one is the classic hard top, which will go on there. It's pretty cool. I haven't decided which way I'm going to go, so I'm going to go ahead and prep all of it, just so I have the options once I paint it to make up my mind how I want to do the final build. I'll still need to go ahead and cut this out, but for now I'll go ahead and prep it. I'll show you what's involved in that, the way I do it. I mean, I'm sure there's hundreds of ways to do it, but I start out with just some isopropyl alcohol. The percentage doesn't really matter. You just want something that's going to bite into the mold release grease that's on there, whatever you want to call it, the agent, the release agent. And all I do is I put it on some paper. This here is toilet tissue. You can use paper towel, but it's a little rough. This stuff actually, put a little alcohol on it and just wipe it down. It's really that simple. Only takes a few minutes, but if you've seen the build I did on the 1970 Firebird, I forgot to do this part, and the paint didn't come out as nice as I would have liked it. Now, many times you won't have an issue with it, okay? Especially if it's an older kit, that mold release agent is evaporated long ago. But every now and again, you run into one that's got a little on there, and it really messes your day up. So I just go down, wipe it down, wipe the whole thing down, you know, and then that's it. Just set it aside, let it air dry. Get the top. I usually don't do the underneath because I don't usually paint that, but if I'm going to, of course, I'll do that part too. And wipe them all down, let them sit, and then they're prepped for primer or just straight paint, depending on what your method of building is. And you're good to go. So I'll let that dry. I go ahead and get my engine parts and all that. I don't have the instructions here. They're mixed in with another kit, and I just don't feel like digging them out. There's only a few pieces on this one, so I'm going to go ahead and just build it. Start with the engine, and then make a decision on colors and that kind of stuff. So, as always, I thank you for watching. I'll be right back. So that's everything that was in the bag. Everything yellow. The only thing not shown right now is the glass and the chrome pieces. But this right here, 57 pieces. That's all you got to make this Corvette kit. So alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and get started on the build. What I usually do is I separate my pieces from sections of the vehicle, suspension, exterior, interior, engine, that kind of stuff. I set them off to the sides, and that way I can get a better idea of what needs to be painted what. So I'll be back in a little while. Well, there we have it, folks. The 68 Chevy Corvette. I changed a lot of things from the stock version. And in fact, as I'm looking right now, I forgot to put the glass in the back of the hardtop. That's too funny. I was all excited, and just now looking at it, it's like, wait, that doesn't look right. But anyway, I grabbed these wheels out of the stock bin. I didn't like the look of the ones that came with the kit. I grabbed an intake and a different carburetor and the air cleaner for the engine because I didn't want to cut a hole in the roof and make a hole in the hood and make the blower stick out. I wanted more of a street custom look. But all in all, it came out pretty nice. It's a gold metallic with black interior and roof. One of my favorite things about this kit, here we see the tail lights. One of my favorite things about the kit is that you can take the hardtop off and it becomes like a roadster, or, you know, a convertible. Oh, sorry about that. But also, you can put on the convertible top and it looks like it's got a convertible roof to it, which also doesn't have the back glass in it. Well, that's alright, folks. Now, some parts are still drying, so I can't give you a lot of detail on the bottom, but it's pretty basic. It's just all black with a couple minor details painted out. But that's that one. That is the 68 Corvette that came in the 3-kit box that included the 70 Mustang Shelby that I did a few videos back, and a 4th gen Corvette, mid-80s Corvette that I built many years ago. So that's it. I hope you enjoy it. I thank you all for stopping by. We'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.